You are going to learn the three letters Wa, O, N. The consonant of the letters Wa and O is basically W. So you add the two vowels A and O after W. For example, the first letter is WA. So the sound is going to be Wa. However, the second sound is WO, but we don't pronounce wo anymore. We used to pronounce wo actually before, but that's an old way. So we pronounce o like exactly the same sound as a vowel o. So the pronunciation is just o. And then lastly, n. This sound, you just close your mouth and then n. So the three letters gonna be wa, o, n. Now let's practice writing. The first one is wa. 1 and 2. Wa, wa. Second one is o. 1, 2, 3. O, o. So we have two O. The left one O is used in the words, and the right one O is used only as a particle. O. So the last one is n. You don't pronounce n. It's n. You just close your mouth. N. 1. That's it. N. N. Now let's review. What is this? N. What is this? Wa. What is this? O. Well done! You've learned the three letters Wa, O, N. So now you know all the Japanese hiragana. So next will be ya, yo as you learned. However, small letters. Small letters ya, you, yo. See you in the next lesson.